Again, everybody, it's me, Margot. So today I have a new dish that I actually saw online. Like what I said the last time, I'm gonna randomly choose a dish that I will cook. So for tonight, I'm going to prepare, what's that called? I forgot the name. What's the name of this dish? Wait, I need to check.
2 hours later.
I'm back. So it's oven baked pork chops and potatoes. My gosh, I forgot. Take to direct. All right. Hello again. It's me, Margot. So tonight I will be preparing a different dish, like what I mentioned in my last video. I will be randomly choosing a dish online that I will try and give a review. So tonight I will be trying this baked pork chops and potatoes. And I got this recipe from Recipe Tin Eats. So that's where I got the recipe from. And it really looks good. So let's just go ahead and let the cooking begin. Okay, guys, let's get serious. So I'm gonna give a review for this baked pork chop that I tried. So for me, I'm gonna give it a rating of 5 because it was really good. Yay! It was, and it's true that you don't need to marinate it for hours because you still get the same goodness in that short time. So if you're like planning to impress your loved ones and thinking of a quick and easy dish, I would highly recommend this baked pork chops and potatoes because it's really, really good. I mean, I'm not really sure because the meat, the pork chops was really tender. I'm not really sure if it's because of the sauce or maybe just because we're using an organic pork, but I'm not really sure. But it was, all in all, it was really good. That's my honest review about it. And again, it's definitely something that I will cook again. So there you have it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, please keep safe, and see you on my next video. Bye.